this is Courtney Files with the Frank Leta Automotive Group, and we're here today with the 2019 Acura RDX, and we're specifically talking about the AcuraLink app. Some of the features include showing your gas range. You can start and stop your engine, lock and unlock your doors, as well as locate your car in a parking lot. If you have an upcoming event and you have directions to that destination, you can sync your calendar with the app and it'll send the directions directly to your car. Over on the status tab, this is the vehicle health report, so it shows things like the PSI and your tires. And lastly, on the support page, you can schedule your next auto service, call roadside assistance, as well as doing some vehicle monitoring. There's the geofence settings, which allows you to set a geofence around your vehicle. So, for example, if your child is driving your car and you don't want them going outside of a specific area, it'll send you an alert if they do so. And lastly, the speed alert settings. You can set a speed limit in the app. So if your child, again, is driving your car and exceeds that speed limit, it'll also send you a notification directly to your phone. And that is the AcuraLink app. For more information, visit franklytoacura.com.